Okay, work-customer complaint. Work-exchange order, something like that. What I'm trying to say is like, what is our case type? Our case type is new order, right? Yeah. So until work the class is there right here. Until work, it is called a class group. Okay, KFC-order food-work is the class group and KFC-order food-work-new order is our work. Okay, suppose you have added one more case type to this particular application. Then what will happen until class group it is same, KFC-order, food-work is same. Now, whatever the new case type you have added, suppose you have added a case type for customer complaints, okay, then you will get a class structure like KFC-order, food-work-. Customer complaint. Okay, you understand. Based on your case type, your work class will get changed. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now you check the whether the data which you have entered on clipboard is present. What are the data you have entered on user interface? Is present in clipboard or not? It is their right name. Is there dead body date? Is there current address? And checkbox. You have a check at the checkbox, or do you have it? I didn't, I think. You didn't check it. No, you didn't check it. Just check the checkbox and see whether that is coming on here. Check it and save it. I check it. Then you open a clipboard again. PYP work which Control F and H, check for the property name. What is the property? Is the same address? I think right check for same. You can check, you will get. Same address true. Okay, true is coming because it's a checkbox thing. When you are checking, it is true. When you are checking, it will be false. Sometimes it will be null also. Okay. Okay, so you have to be careful. You have to look into the clipboard whether it's false or null or true. Okay. Okay. Now what about the bottom fields? You haven't added any data for below property. Yeah, Control F and check it for those properties also. Is of data present or is the properties present here? Something current, are you right? Yeah, again. Click on Enter. You are getting 1 by 2 right. There is another such item. No, see, those properties are not yet formed on a clipboard because the data is not present, right? Now you try to give the data again to the bottom fields and try to click on Save. Let's see whether the data is coming or not. Is it case sensitive also if I give capital? Here is street and here is no. That data is a text input. You can enter whatever the data you want, like you can enter any random values. So delivery address would be I'll give the same. OK. Now check on a clipboard whether you are getting the data or not. It's coming. Is it coming? Yeah. It's coming, right? Yes. Now it's coming. Now you can close the clipboard. I will tell you the requirement. The requirement is like, whenever to check the checkbox, the top data which you have entered must get it. You must get the data to the below because you're telling it. Both are same. Why the user needs to enter the data? That is not a good practice. You are telling that user is telling you both. The addresses are same. So you ideally need not get again. You should not ask the user to enter the data. So what do you have to do? You do have any idea here how to configure? Which rules have to create, at least like which rule we need to create. Okay, let me tell you like. Let's come from idea first, of the design first. What action the user is performing? User is performing a click on a checkbox, right? He's performing that action. Correct. He's clicking on a checkbox, that if both the addresses are same, now you have to configure some action on click of a checkbox. Okay, you open that checkbox. And we have already discussed it, event action model. Yeah. So go to a check, open that property. What action here? We have event action model, right? Yeah, you can create an action. The event. Click on Add Event. And an event is what is an event here? Our event is you guys. Yeah. You can select a key and what is the action? Action is like. We have to copy the data from current address to delivery address. Yeah. So to copy a data from one to another, you will, yeah, that is a data manipulation. It's so you can use a run data transfer. Okay, we just manipulating a data on keyboard, right? We are not saving it to a database. So you can click on Run Data Transform and you create one data transform rule. Here you try to create like copy address. You can give some random name. Yeah, here you can enter the label. Okay, set the address or copy address generally data transform. They will use with the keyword set a city. You need not to give us pieces. Okay, don't give us pieces. But this is label, right? Yeah, that is a label, but better to not to give us not to give. Okay, to determine. Okay, class and the rule set. You just check off it. Get habituated to check the class and rule set because our application doesn't have so many rules. It's so.